Have you ever wondered if it was actually possible to make enough money online to replace your 9-to-5 job? What's up guys, Shinefy here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make money online as a complete beginner. And the best part about all this stuff is I have nothing to sell you, you're not putting any credit card details in, and I'm giving you a completely free, full step-by-step course to walk you through exactly how we make thousands of dollars every single day. Now, all you have to do to claim these bonuses and get started is actually go in the description of this video and go to shinefy.com. This is going to take you to our landing page where you are going to grab the free checklist, and then you're going to get the course on top of that. It is completely free. So make sure you put in the right email here, hit send here, and it's going to forward you to our Discord server, which is actually going to be a group of a bunch of people holding you accountable to do the right thing and actually make money online. This is an active group. We are active every single day, and we are always posting about our wins. And the best part about this too is we are paying people to take action. You can actually post what's called a win in the chat, and when you actually enter a win here, you are actually entered in to win $1,000 on the giveaway date, right? Whatever that is. But we are literally giving away money in order for you to take action. But with that being said, what are we going to go over for the rest of this video? Well, how are you going to make money exactly? Because I just said all this stuff about making a bunch of money, but how are we actually going to do it? Well, it's very simple. We're going to drive traffic to tools that we can promote to not only make sales for them, but we don't have to worry about the fulfillment. We don't have to worry about the support. We don't have to worry about any of that. And so all we have to do is get them the customers and then collect a monthly recurring commission on that sale. So what we actually have here in this checklist is a walkthrough step-by-step guide on everything to do, including tutorials and timestamps, but we also have 400 plus AI tools that you can get paid to promote. Now, as for choosing a tool to promote, you don't have to choose any of these, right? This is just a tool for you to find tools that have good affiliates, and then you can go and promote them. But once you find a tool that you want to promote, whether you want to find something that you can make money with, whether you find something that's really cool that you think other people are going to be interested in, the next step is actually driving traffic. So what if we're going to actually do in this video is if we go to the new resource checklist back where we were, we can actually start going down this list, right? So do we have a Gmail account? Well, you need a Gmail account to send out follow-up emails, right? Because guess what? There's something called the Rule of 7 in marketing, and the Rule of 7 in marketing states that you cannot sell something to someone unless the potential customer has seen the brand's message at least 7 times, right? On average, if you send them to an affiliate link right away, you're not going to end up making the sale until they've seen you 7 times. And I'm going to go over exactly how you can actually get your offer out to the same person 7 times. So the first step is getting the person entirely, right? So you already signed up for Discord because you're going to sign up for Discord and join our group right here. You should probably sign up for Facebook so you can start posting reels for later and Instagram reels for later. But the main thing we're going to focus on in today's video is actually setting up YouTube. Now, when you're setting up a YouTube channel, this is the hardest part of the whole process, right? Because you're going to start making YouTube videos like I am doing right now, and you are going to actually talk on the camera, and you don't even have to have a camera on, right? You can start faceless and do exactly what I'm doing and talk about a tool or an offer and why it's actually good. So what you can do is you can copy one of our videos. So if we go to our channel right over here and we actually go to our videos, you can find a video to copy, because guess what? If you copy what works, you're going to get a similar result. So from here, you're going to see this video did pretty well. This is about a 2x for our channel. So, and this was around 6 days ago. So what you can do is you can copy the title, you can copy the thumbnail, you can copy what the video transcript is. So we click into here, we go down here, and we can actually go to show transcript. You can actually copy the transcript if we toggle the timestamps, and we can copy everything and literally throw it in the ChatGPT, change it up, or we can just throw it on a notepad and actually read off it in a second monitor or on a phone. But you get the idea here, right? If you copy what works, you're going to get a similar result. And this is what I was actually able to be successful with actually doing on another channel that I own, right? So what's the next steps? You got a YouTube channel, you're going to make a video, right? And that's the hardest part to get started. And that's exactly why we have that Discord channel, so that you can go in there and get encouragement and all the stuff that you need. But basically what you need to do is you need to actually start copying what works, whether it's from our channel, whether it's from another channel that's successful. But once you go and copy someone that works, you're going to get views after a while, right? This is something you work at and you actually start getting payments from. But what you're going to do is you're going to take this and you need to now turn these views into leads. Now, the only difference between the views and the leads is getting their information so you can do constant follow-up. And that goes back to the rule of 7 in marketing. Remember, we need to reach out to them at least 7 times. So how are we going to do that exactly? Well, it's very, very simple, because now once you go down to the essential tool setup, now you have a bunch of tools that are very essential for actually making money online. And the best part about this is they have free trials, so you don't have to pay for them up front. And yes, everything is totally free, and no, you do not need this right away, right? You don't even need this at all. There's other alternatives. You have other tools that work well, but we actually chose these tools because we think they're the best in the category. So you can spend all your time doing this, and it could be months before you get to this point. But guess what? You can start making money with your views before you even have to spend a single dime. Because from here, you're going to click on, let's say, high level, and it's going to give you a trial to their program. And what high level is going to do is it's actually going to give you the ability to capture leads. Now, how are we going to capture those leads? Let's open a notepad here so I can tell you exactly how we're going to do that. The first step is you're going to get the views by posting on social media. Then from there, you need to turn those views into leads. So how are we going to actually do that? Well, it's very, very simple, because remember, we need to capture their information in order to reach out to them multiple times. So what we're going to do is we are going to create a landing page through high level, and that way we can actually put a form on there that will capture their information and then set up an email automation that will constantly reach out for us automatically. Now that sounds really, really complicated, but that's exactly why we have tutorial timestamps and we have hours of tutorials right over here. So what I'd recommend is go through all this stuff and actually go through the meaning of all this stuff by clicking on the tutorials, right? Because once you actually get YouTube running and you start getting views, right, you're gonna want to start posting reels, right? So what you might need Radar. It's an auto scheduler that will auto schedule out your content. If I go to Radar over here, this is just my account. This isn't for the Shinefy account, but essentially you can see that all these are short form content that is scheduled out all throughout the month, right? And it posts automatically. Now, not only that, but you might need ManyChat, because ManyChat will actually reach out to all your comments and DMs and send them your links to your landing pages in the places where you want to send traffic. Because remember, we're just going to be the master of sending traffic, right? You might need 11 Labs, because 11 Labs is going to go and actually clone voices, right? Which is nice, because once you clone your voice, you might not even have to talk in these videos, right? So it just all depends what you want to do, but we have all of the tools written down right here that we use to make money online, and we even have tutorials based on everything, and we're also doing a setup hardware section as well. But with that being said, that's going to bring us to the end of the video today. So what I'd recommend you doing, right? You need to go to Shinefy.com, get this checklist, right? We have nothing to sell you. We want you to get into this free Discord server, and we want you to succeed, right? That's exactly why we're giving away everything for free. That's exactly why we're giving money to people that are actually taking action. And what I want you to do is, if you have found help in this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe down below. And when you comment, I'm going to send you a special bonus down below on top of what we have here. But with that being said, this is Shinefy. Peace out.